Namaste, my name is Rohini and welcome to Yoga and You. Today I'm going to show you a very simple sequence to relax tension in the shoulder and the neck area. For those of us that work really long hours on a desk, this is an area that almost always holds tension. So I'm just going to show you some really simple stretches. We'll do a two-part video so that depending on the level of your stiffness, you can either do the first one or the second one, okay? So what I want you to do is first just come to seated, either on your chair in the office or if you're sitting down on the ground, sit down. But make sure the spine is really nice and long. Best way to do that is keep your hands by your side. Your elbows are bending, there's compression in the abdominal and all the vital organs. So I want you to roll the shoulders up and sit really nice and tall. The key is always keeping the shoulders slightly pulled back and your chin parallel to the earth. So there's a nice little bit of space for you to breathe. Just take a few seconds to check back in with your body. Just feel your breath. Every breath to be slightly bigger than the previous one. And once you do about 3 long breaths, what I want you to do is bring your left forearm down to the ground. What I don't want to happen is your right knee lifting off the ground. So if your right knee is lifting off, second variation is to just keep your palms down, okay? And then you'll reach up with the right hand, reach up like you want to touch the ceiling, and then over and across your ear. Make sure the body is not collapsing. You're spinning up and across. It's like you want to reach with the fingertips and touch the ground, and just hold spinning for another 3, 2, and for 1. Slowly, gently pull back and we'll do the other side. So your right hand comes down. Again, remember, knees stay down. If it's picking up, keep the palm down first. Reach up with the left hand, over and across. Spinning, spinning, spinning gently to the ceiling for another 2. Like you want to touch the ground. And for 1. Gently pull yourself back. You want to take your hands behind you, interlace. Remember, let the palms face your back. So roll the shoulders and sit tall. Now, as soon as you lift up through the hands, the first thing that will happen is our tendency to collapse into the chest. So I want you to roll the shoulders back, lift up through the chin, and pick up through the hands. Roll it open and lift. This will also reduce that back fat that grows on either side of the spine cord. So just keep lifting, keeping the spine long, arching the chest forwards for another 2 and 1. And then on your exhale, you'll slowly forward fold as far as your body is ready to go. Ultimately, you want to be able to get your forehead to the knee and lift your hands up over the head as much as you can. You'll feel the nice little stretch along your shoulder blades and even on the outsides of your arms, so along the biceps and the triceps. So reaching for another 2 and for 1. Here. Tuck in your lower belly, use core strength to slowly lift back up. Body is still in a straight line, we haven't collapsed, so sitting tall. And then gently let go, take your hands in front of you. You'll round the hands away from you and look within. So keep the body slightly arched and the chin coming to the chest. Pull your abdomen in, you can see your belly, right? So pull the lower belly towards the edge of the spine, feeling the shoulders and the back region stretch out for another 2 and 1. Lengthen back up and just come into a gentle twist. So place the left hand in front of the right knee, right hand behind your back, lengthen up through the spine, and on the exhale, look deeper. Inhale up, exhale slightly deeper for 2 and 1. Center and gently to the other side. So just lengthen and twist for 2 and for 1. Slowly release and just relax completely, letting your spine sort of settle. And just come back to taking a few deep breaths.
Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Shantala Timaya and I'm a yoga instructor. In the last episode, we focused on eye exercises. Today we'll move on to the neck exercises. These are good especially for us who spend long time driving or long hours in front of the computer or at your desk. So for this, you can sit in Vajrasana on your heels, or if you're working, you don't have to change position, you can even do it sitting on a chair. We'll begin with this. Inhale, exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, right and back. Exhale, left and down. Again, inhale, right and back. Exhale, left and down. These are simple neck rotations. We'll do 6 rounds this way and the other 6 rounds the anti-clockwise. You can repeat this 6 and 6, 12 times, and you can do it as many times as you want in a day. You're not restricted to just morning and evening. Anytime your neck is tired, you can practice this. Thank you.